All right, guys, so I got another set of aftermarket seats for the FL5. EDIRB Japan, baby. Let's do this. All right, for all you guys that have been following me on the channel, you guys know I run an aftermarket seat in the FL5, and it's from Bridge Japan. But the series that I have it's called EDIRB, which is Bridge Japan spelled backwards for you guys that don't know. A lot of you guys have made comments and asked me where I got these seat covers, but it's not a seat cover, guys. It's a full-on reclinable bucket seat. It's full replacement. There's one seat here, we had it for almost over a year, and I finally got a chance to actually unveil it to you guys today. And then the other one we saw in Japan, if you guys watch my Japan vlogs, you might have seen it. I can't wait to show you guys. It's sick. This is my current seat that I did originally have in the FL5. And again, this is a EDIRB Japan from Bridge Japan. Full leather, well, synthetic leather, they call protein leather. Is treated with like, you can't get bacteria or anything like that because it's a certain type of material that they use. So it doesn't get moldy or anything like that. But the fine details, I'm just gonna zoom in for you guys. If you can see, there's red perforated in the perforation. Very, very detailed. Nice, you know, cross stitches is what, I think that's what they're called. Super, like, at first glance, it is like super, super soft, you guys. Like, it's hard to describe. If you ever get a chance to see these in person, just have a feel because they are super, super, like the cushion, very, very firm. So I just wanted to show you guys in more detailed here. This is the Stradia 3, as you can tell by the bigger holes up front for the harnesses. But on the side here with the new version, it has basically the new lever for reclining, black frame. What can I say? Carbon fiber in the back. Very, very well constructed, you guys. I think this is the reason why a lot of you guys think that it's a seat cover when you guys first initially saw it when I unveiled it back then. But it's actually not a seat cover. It's a full carbon bucket. Not bucket, reclinable bucket, sorry, you guys. But you can change out these to Chasing J's or any kind of titanium hardware. It's a much easier mechanism. It rebounds. Let me see if I can show you guys here. It's hard to if not strapped in here, but absolutely beautiful, guys. Okay, so I want to show you guys one quick detail with the traditional carbon. See how it's a fiberglass with the carbon weave, and you can clearly see the weave here. It's very, very detailed, you guys, and I, of course, kept it in really, really good condition. And that's the material that I was telling you about, antibacterial processed. That's the model number, the 172. Super nice, you guys. Okay, now I'll show you the new one. This is sick. So this EDIRB is a collab between Nishijin, and they created the Nishijin carbon. Carbon is totally different from the actual traditional weave carbon. Same structure, Stradia 3, reclinable. It has a red perforation, silver piping with the actual gold stitching and insignia of Nishijin carbon. What is Nishijin carbon, you guys? Let me show you guys. Again, this one has the same black frame, and this is it. Damn, man. Nice. When I saw this in Japan, it's blew me away, you guys. Let me bring you guys in a little closer here. This is amazing. Just get a little closer for you guys. I've never seen this, besides seeing it in Japan, I've never seen this bucket seat or this reclinable bucket seat out in North America at all. Not even one car, let alone inside of an FL5. This is like the cream of the crop. That gold stitching, it glows under this under the lighting here. This is amazing, you guys. Like I said, I've never seen it outside of North America, outside of Japan. I've never seen it in North America. The attention to detail. Let me see if I can turn it a little more, just into the lighting. There we go. That's only one thing. I wish they did this in carbon too, but I don't know if it's harder or not, but it just kind of, I wish it was carbon, but it's actually just plastic, just like the FK8, you know, they have the plastic trims. Sheesh. Woo! Let me show you guys the frame. Full carbon all the way in. That's sick. You guys, I can't. Let me know in the comments below. Have you ever have you seen these? Obviously in Japan, if you went to Tokyo Auto Salon, but have you ever seen any of these out in the wild in the US? Especially in Canada, we don't have any at all, I would know. But, woo! Okay, let me show you guys the bottom, okay? Okay, so the difference on this one, it's a full carbon. That's the difference. Again, protein, antibacterial protein process, so it won't have any damage or anything, or bacterial problems in the future. And that's the model number, EDIRB 172. Unlike this one, you see how this is a full on. It looks, you know, it looks like yarn, or wool. That's what it looks like. I've never seen it before, you guys, even at SEMA. Sick. Okay, I got one more for you guys in here. This is going to be the first time I'm opening this box. The only time I've ever seen this seat was in Japan at Auto Salon, and it was like huge. Maybe it's just because I'm living in the moment, and it's just because of the lighting, but this seat looked amazing. This is going to be the biggest, boldest move. You guys think, if you think like green carbon was bold, or like green on championship white, this is bold, you guys. So I'm gonna get you guys to probably help me decide between the Nishijin or this seat. This is sick. Let's get right into it. It's for the first time with you guys. Oh my Lord. It is like, imagine this, you guys. Okay, let me just get it out of the box, you guys. It smells so good too. You guys, it smells amazing. Look at that. Ooh. All right, you guys, let me introduce you to the EDIRB Stradia 3 162 in pure white. Oh, I call it pure white, but I don't know what the actual name is, but I'm calling it pure white, you guys. You definitely have to wear gloves. What can I say, you guys? When I unboxed it, first thing was just, it smells amazing. It just, let's get right into it. Let me show you guys a little more. You guys, by far, this is probably the coolest unboxing for like seats I've ever done. I've done a few, and for some reason, this just blows my mind. I think it's just because of the pure white, the nostalgia. It just goes against everything. The way Bridge Japan did it, they did it right, just when they marketed it. But they had this run right in the middle where you can't miss it. Just eye-catching, and that's. First things first, because I knew that this one was released already. We already had at Invision Auto Imports. First thing I did was I asked Gerald, you know, if like, can we run these seats, but can we put the Nishijin carbon and pair it with the pure white? I just go, oh, this is amazing, guys. You see how they just pure silver, and then they did, instead of a silver piping, they did a different piping here, different color. The camera just probably going all crazy right now with the color because it's just pure white. But anyways, see how that was one of my wish lists, was getting that carbon on this, and I think pairing that carbon with this white, it would have been just chef's kiss, you guys, chef's kiss, like, ugh. But apparently, the only way to make it happen, we had to order like so many pairs of seats, and it just wasn't in the budget. So full throttle, couldn't pull through on that one, you guys. But nonetheless, it's beautiful. I don't know what it is. It just, like, look at that. They went with just straight leather instead of like the what do you call this, Alcantara. It just went straight. And no stitching on the sides. I don't know if this because of the bolsters this edition, or they just kept it simple like that for just the white. Woo. So the question is, you guys, championship white on white on white, or do we go championship white with the Nishijin carbon or with black? Because the red ones that we have, those are Kevin's seats. He won't give them to me, guys. So this is it. Oh man, woo! I can't get enough. Like, it smells so good, so good. I don't know what it is. Okay, you guys, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I enjoyed it as much as, yeah, now it's a tough decision. What do we do? All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing like I did. It's amazing. EDIRB, like, top notch, you guys, just when it comes to fit and finish and quality, just so amazing. So the question is, let me know in the comments below, you guys, what should I run? The Nishijin carbon or the pure white? Let me know in the comments below. So I'm gonna base my decisions based on your guys' comments, but I know this is gonna be, it's gonna look absolutely sick, but it's gonna be very, very high maintenance. Looking forward to seeing all you guys' comments, and if you made it this far, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in next week's vlog. See ya. Okay, so the third seat that I have here, very, very special, very, very special seat. This is also an Invision special. They had it in their vault, hidden away. You can't get these anymore, you guys, unless you get them on the used market. And if you buy on the used market, the only problem is you don't know if you're getting a replica or a knockoff, and that's something that you don't want to do. This is the Stradia, GS 2 small holes, and like the original ones. Well, this is the original, unlike the new version. I know some guys say they like this one better than that one, but I don't know. I really don't care, you guys. They look fantastic. Both, regardless, it looks fantastic. Either or, you give me one, I'll take it. But This red would look sick in the FL5. Regardless if it's Sonic Gray, Pearl, Championship White, or even black, or even blue, this red would look sick, you guys. Okay, but so the way it's spec'd out, Brid, Lomax, GS2 with the gradation red. Hard to get, especially it's hard to get, you guys. And then you got your traditional carbon Kevlar. For some reason, the carbon Kevlar on red with red gradation is a sick combo. This thing is insane and insanely expensive too now. So congratulations, Kevin, for picking up this seat, and thank you again for letting us borrow it. Maybe I'll run it this year with him. I just gotta convince him, you guys. Amazing combination, very, very rare spec. And to any of you guys that have this right now, hold on to it. It's worth a lot. I'm telling you, it's worth a lot, you guys. And I'm pretty sure Kevin paid a pretty penny for this. And I should say thank you for Invision Auto Imports for lending us all these seats to do the review. Should have convinced Kevin to allow me to run these ones this year, because he's actually going into an FD, and his FD is not ready yet. So these are sitting around. Maybe I'll just convince him to allow me. But leave a comment below, you guys, which one you guys want to think. But these are all ultra premium with ultra premium pricing, so they're not cheap. I think yeah, they're not cheap, you guys.
You put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got some